Most people are treating AI like a toy. But a growing number of people are using the exact same free tools to automate repetitive tasks and charge clients $500 to $2,000 a month for it. Here's the step-by-step blueprint. Right now, there are millions of small business owners who desperately need help with repetitive digital work, answering emails, posting on social media, entering data, generating content. They're drowning in it. And they will pay someone to make it go away. The twist? You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to write a single line of code. Free AI tools in 2026 are powerful enough that a complete beginner can build a working automation in an afternoon. The demand is exploding, the competition is almost zero, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pick one task to automate. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one problem that businesses repeat every single day. The 4 best starting points are email replies, social media content, data entry, and content creation. Here's how to choose. Email replies are the fastest to automate and easiest to sell. Nearly every business hates handling routine customer messages. Social media content creation has huge demand because business owners know they need to post, but they have no time. Data entry automation saves hours every week and is easy to demonstrate. Content creation, writing product descriptions, blog drafts, ad copy, has an enormous market. Pick the one that sounds most natural to you. If you've ever written emails for work, start with email automation. If you've helped someone with social media, start there. The key is to go 1 inch wide and 1 mile deep on a single use case before you expand. Step 2. Build it free with ChatGPT and Zapier. You don't need a paid plan to start. Go to chatgpt.com, the free tier handles this fine. Go to zapier.com and create a free account. Here's the workflow for email reply automation. In Zapier, create a new Zap. Set the trigger to Gmail when a new email arrives with a specific label, like needs reply. Then add an action step, use ChatGPT via the OpenAI action in Zapier. Write a prompt that says, "You are a professional assistant. Read this email and draft a polite, concise reply under 100 words. Email, insert email body." Then add a final step, create a draft reply in Gmail. That's the full automation. You can build this in under an hour. For social media, the flow is, new row in Google Sheets triggers ChatGPT to generate a post, which Zapier sends to Buffer to schedule. These are real, working automations. No code, no paid tools, no experience required. Step 3. Find your first client. This is where most people stop, but it's actually the easiest part. 3 channels work best: Upwork, Reddit, and local businesses. On Upwork, search for job postings with keywords like virtual assistant, email management, or social media scheduler. Apply to 5 listings per day with this message: "I specialize in setting up AI-powered automations that handle this task automatically, saving you 5+ hours per week. I can have a working demo ready in 48 hours. Would you like to see it?" On Reddit, post in subreddits like Our Small Business, Our Entrepreneur, and Our Agency with a helpful post explaining how you automated something, then mention in comments that you offer this as a service. For local businesses, walk into a restaurant, salon, or retail shop and say, "I can set up an automated system that replies to your customer emails and generates your weekly social posts. It runs on free tools and I charge a flat monthly fee to set it up and keep it running." You only need one yes to get started. Step 4. Package it as a done-for-you service. This is the move that takes you from one-time gig to recurring income. Don't sell, "I'll build you a Zapier workflow." Sell the client communication system or the social media autopilot. Give it a name. Then price it as a retainer. Here's a simple pricing structure that works. Setup fee, $250 to $500, one time. Monthly retainer, $300 to $700 per month, which includes monitoring, tweaks, and a monthly report. That's it. You're not selling your time by the hour. You're selling a system that runs in the background. A client paying $500 a month is not asking you for 40 hours of work, they're paying for peace of mind. Your actual time per client per month, once set up, is 2 to 4 hours. At 3 clients paying $500 each, you're at $1,500 a month for roughly 10 to 12 hours of real work. Step 5. Scale, more clients or productize. Once you have 2 or 3 clients running smoothly, you have 2 paths. Path 1, more clients. Use the same templates, the same Zap structures, the same pitch. Each new client takes less time to onboard because you've already built the system. 4 clients at $500 is $2,000 a month. 6 clients is $3,000. Path 2, productize. Take the Zapier workflow you built, document it step by step, record a 5-minute Loom video walkthrough, and sell it as a template on Gumroad or Notion Marketplace for $47 to $97. You build it once, sell it forever. The best operators do both. They take on retainer clients for stable recurring revenue and sell templates for passive income on the side. At this stage, you're not trading time for money. You're operating a micro-automation agency. Tools summary. Everything you need: free tier, ChatGPT at chat.openai.com, Zapier at zapier.com, Buffer for social scheduling at buffer.com, Google Sheets for data management, and Loom for client demos at loom.com. If you want to upgrade one thing, Zapier's paid tier at around $29 a month removes the task limit and unlocks multi-step apps. That's the only upgrade worth paying for early on. The rest stays free until you're well past $1,000 a month. Here's what I want you to do right now. Subscribe to this channel. Every week I publish step-by-step guides on using AI to build income online, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Then go to TheNewMind.pplx.app, it's linked below, where I publish extra resources, templates, and tool breakdowns that I don't post anywhere else. This blueprint works. The only thing between you and your first client is picking one task and sending 5 messages today. I'll see you in the next one.